Alright, so today papanoorin natin ang Kaya performance actually sa channel nila. Damn, alright. So it got 708k views now. You Did It plus Takedown. Na-request to sa atin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to or I know this song. I don't know. But I like Kaya. Yung Tanga ba yun? Or Kaya ata yung title ng isang kanta nila. I don't remember. Tanga ata yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung sila yun. I'm not too familiar but I like them. So let's check Kaya out, man. Let's go.
You did it!
What? Dang, they got audience. Parang live performance na nasa gitna sila. Parang ano to sa rap battle yung nasa gitna yung ano. Wow! Damn, interesting.
Kita sa mata, baliktad sila pag nanalambin. Mga tamuda na nag-aabang na babagsakin. Paniniwala, akala nila kayang burahin.
Holy shit. Kakaumpisa pa lang but I already know na sobrang galing. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm forgetting Kaya. I forgot how good they were. They are. Live vocals, right? God damn! Naka-subscribe ba ako sa kanila? Yes, I am subscribed. Wow! Tangin na. Alam mo na agad na magaling pag unang words pa lang ng lyrics. Blown away ka na eh. Okay.
Kita sa mata, baliktad sila pag nanalambin. Mga tamuda na nag-aabang na babagsakin. Paniniwala, akala nila kayang burahin. Sa kinumara ka nagpapangga, diretsong tingin. Cause it's a lie. Mahigpit ang kapit, nagtanim
Oh my god, I love the note. I love that.
ng galit. It's a lie. Aking aanihin tong matahin.
So my backing track, right? Alright.
Nagbubulag-bulagan kahit kitang-kita ko.
The harmonization is nice. Doon sa magkamukha. Magkamukha yun silang dalawa eh. Di ko alam kung kambal sila.
Hindi makikinig sa mga kasinungalingan mo. You didn't mean it but you did it. Hindi naman namin pinilit.
Kaninong kanta to, man? Wow! Is this a cover song? O kanila ba to? The song is nice as well. Hindi lang vocals. And they look freaking pretty.
You didn't mean it but you did it. Hindi naman namin pinilit.
You didn't mean it, but you didn't mean it, but you did it. Parang ano lang, parang cheating eh. Ano you didn't mean it? Pero ginawa mo. Wow! That's a bar! And that's their song! Sabi sa comments. Oh my God! God damn, this P-pop girls is blowing me away, man. Oh my God! I need to find one P-pop girl group that's gonna be my favorite because the battle is just starting. And it's freaking crazy. Ngayon nalilito na ako kung sino pinakamagaling because there has to be, right? Or bias. Dapat magkaroon ako ng firm bias sa mga sa girl group because everybody is nice. This is crazy. What the hell?
Makikinig sa mga kasinungalingan mo. You didn't mean it but you did it. Hindi naman namin pinilit. Meron palang nakamili.
The instrumental is crazy. Parang ganun yung instrumental sa likod.
You didn't mean it but you did it. Hindi naman namin pinilit. Meron palang nakamili.
I think this is one of the best performance that I've seen in a long time by a girl group. It's been a long time, man. It's been a long, wow, man, holy shit. Wow, damn. What the heck?
Game is over. The game is over. Nagbubulag-bulag kahit kitang-kita ko. Wow. Hindi makikinig sa mga kasinungalingan mo. You didn't mean it, but you did. Hindi naman namin pinilit. Meron palang daang nalilit. You didn't mean it, but you didn't mean it, but you did. Sila na nakakinggan. Kahit pa napanggain. Oh yeah, you did. Oh yeah, you did. Lahat ay harapin.
And they got the perfect number of members, man. They got the perfect number of members, 5. I think that's the best number of members. Kesa sa 3, 7, or 8. 5 is the best. Na hindi dahil 5 ang SB19 na, pero man, they're freaking nice with it. Holy shit, it's gonna be a bloody battle between these girl groups because oh my god. Ganun na lang siguro talaga kagaling lahat, no? I'm being blown away by this performance. Holy shit, man.
Kahit pa napanggain. Oh yeah, you did. Oh yeah, you did. Lahat ay harapin. Sila na nakatingin. Kahit pa napanggain. Oh yeah, you did. Nabubulag-bulagan kahit kitang-kita ko. Hindi makikinig sa mga
Tangina, shout out sa fanbase ng Kaya, no? Kasi hindi naman ako talaga full on sa kanila. Man, be proud. Kung isa ka sa fan ng Kaya, do your shit. Gawin mo yung ginagawa ng 18 sa SB19. Do your Be proud of this group, man. Man, they got a lot of potential. Hindi lang talaga ako masyadong nakafocus because my focus on my bias, understandably so. Do your shit, man. This is freaking good. Ah, fuck.
Sinungalingan mo. Nagbubulag-bulagan kahit kitang-kita ko. Hindi makikinig sa kasinungalingan mo. You didn't mean it, but you did. Hindi naman namin pinilit. You did. Meron palang daang malilit. You didn't mean it, but you didn't mean it, but you did. Lahat ay harapin. Sila na nakatingin. Kahit pa napanggain. Lahat ay harapin. Sila na nakatingin. Kahit pa napanggain. You really did it.
That was a crazy performance. Holy shit. Ito yung mga performance na I also said this about Beanie when they started. Na if somebody has to represent the Philippines, it should be them. Kasi napanood ko yung mga dance practices nila while singing a cappella and they're really good. And I saw this in Kaya as well. Ngayon lang. Crazy. Kung ito yung magre-representa ng Pilipinas, I'm proud of it. That's what I feel about this performance. Go! Alam mo yon? I'm proud kung sila yung magre-representa. This is crazy! Holy shit! Okay, so let's listen to the part 2 of the performance. Ito takedown. Ito hindi nila kanta daw to. Okay, let's go.
Nakatingin. Kahit pa napanggain. You really did it.
Crazy!
Got your girls to the world. It's a takedown. So easy on the eyes, but hitting is on the inside. Who lies, but you lies, but you get hot. Nice try. I'm about to switch up these vibes. I finally open my eyes.
Pangina, can you hear that shit? Narinig mo ba kung gaano kalupit yung timbre niya? Kung gaano ka-solid yung boss? Sino to? Ang ganda pa. Ang nakagandaan ako sa Kaya yung dalawang magkahawig. Yan siya pati yung isa. Magkamukha sila. Man, the voice. What the fuck?
It's time to kick you straight back into the night. Cause I see your real face and it's ugly sin. Time to put you in your place cause you're rotten within. When your patterns start to show, it makes the hatred wanna grow out of my veins. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Break you into pieces, you know how to pain. Cause you're all the same. Yeah, it's a takedown. I gave you the feeling you deserve to live. It's so obvious. I'ma gear up and take you down.
I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna go to a Kaya performance live and I wanna see it. Sana I don't know, wish bus performance sila or libre na. Pwede kong puntahan because I wanna see them perform live because this is crazy. This is actually crazy. This is actually a candidate of being my favorite P-pop girl group because I don't have one still. I keep saying Sonara, but I don't know, man. It's crazy. It is freaking crazy. What the fuck?
It's a takedown. I'ma take it down. It's a takedown. Take it down. It's a takedown. I'ma take you out your breakdown like what? It's a takedown. I'ma take you out and I ain't gonna stop. 좀 싫은 너 not to bad go gotta say you're what? You be begging and crying all of you dying that face my shit. When your patterns start to show, it makes the hatred wanna grow out of my veins. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. 너를 여기 어둠 앞에 다가서.
Oh my god, shit, man. This is freaking live. And this is the difference. I don't know if man, because meron ng problema ang Korea or ang K-pop with live vocals or live singing. It's a known problem now. And the flex here is they are singing it raw, live with little to none of backing track. This is very evident of how wonderful this group is. Holy shit, this is freaking awesome. And somebody is saying that this is their go up moment like SB19, and I can see why. Nakikita ko kung bakit ito yung go up moment nila because this is crazy. This is crazy.
I'ma gear up and take you down. It's a takedown. I'ma take it down. Watch me do it. It's a takedown. Oh, you're the master of illusion.
Man, the
나를
vocals!
속이려 하지 마. Look at all the messes that you're fooling, but they turn on you soon so hard. How can you sleep or live with yourself? A broken soul trapped in the nastiest shell. 영원하면 내 목숨은 따라라 해보지다.
Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Perform already, man. Go to Korea, go somewhere. They're freaking ready with this. What? What are we waiting for, man? This is not doing anything about this talent is stupid. I think this is the most ready group that I've seen in so long. Yeah. What the heck?
You can try, but you can hide. It's takedown, I'ma take you out and you break down like what? It's takedown, I'ma take you out and it ain't.
Pero kailangan ko pa pala makita yung performance nila na, you know, yung sayaw din, the choreography, I wanna see that as well. Pero dito sa live performance, sa pagkanta, I think they got it, man.
Gone, let's go. I'ma cut you open, lose control, then rip out your heart. You'll be begging and crying, all of you dying. I'ma gear up and take you down. Take down.
fuck that. What is Kaya doing nowadays, man? I gotta check. Cause this is crazy. They got 114K. What? Oh my god, they should do something about this. Mate, I mean, do your shit, Kaya. Post this on TikTok. Have a dance challenge or something. You gotta do marketing, man. This is crazy. What the heck? Kaya deserves to, you know? Kaya deserves to go somewhere. This group is ready, man. Releases. How many releases do they have? It's crazy, man. Kaya is awesome.